Hello everyone, and welcome to another video from Nordic Anglers. That's our web shop. My name is Daniel, and today I'm going to tell you about a few new things, but I'm also going to do a walkthrough of the SIMMS GTS Vault system. The SIMMS GTS Vault system is not completely new. It's been on the market since last year, but it has been sold out for maybe 6 months or so. So finally, we have restocked on these great items. The demand has been so high on these that I actually had to sell all of my own personal stuff to customers who needed them. And it's here at Nordic Anglers, it's always the customer first. So I've been looking forward to getting my hands on these yet again myself. I'm gonna start with the SIMMS GTS Reel Vault, which is basically your typical storage for reels and lines. But this is a more strong and a more sturdy and a more robust construction than design than what you see from many of these from other companies. SIMMS has this really strong and durable outer shelling on these. They're made from nylon, so they are durable as as nothing else. In here you have 6 different compartments, but you can swap things up. You can change things up if you want, a bit bigger or a smaller compartment in here. And also you have the opportunity or to place some of your line dressing and leaders and stuff in this compartment here. But basically this is what it is. It's a vault designed for your fly reels. I own 2 of these to have all my fly reels, and I think this is without a doubt the best way of stowing your fly lines and your fly reels I have encountered. So I'm really thrilled to have mine back. It has, of course, a shoulder strap here with some padding, and also just just something to grab onto so you can carry it between wherever you go. It's an ideal way of transporting your reels, also if you're traveling, or your camera lenses and whatnot, because this is so strong and durable and padded. This is the right way to stow anything that is it needs a bit of protection. So that's the first thing, the Reel Vault. The next thing is the double barrel. I don't think it's called that, but it looks kind of a little like a shotgun. But basically it's called the GTS Double Rod Reel Vault. Again, this is made in really strong, durable materials. It has some reinforcements, and again, this really durable protection here to protect your reel. And once you open this up, you'll see that it's perfectly suited for 2 different rods. There is a compartment separator in here, designed so you can have 2 different rods with you on the water easily and safe. And I have 3 of these. I have one for my pike fishing, one for my sea trout fishing, and one for my stream fishing. And I use these a lot. Of course, in between trips, I keep them stowed in here as well, so I'm ready to go. But after I've been fishing, I just pull out the rods so the handle can dry and the rod can dry, so it doesn't get moldy. It has a nice strap to grab it with your hand, but you can also sling it across your shoulder and carry it that way. But in between fishing trips, I think this is the best way of transporting your gear. It's easier, it's safe, and it keeps your gear locked and loaded, so you're ready to get out there as soon as possible. Again, a highly sought after item that we have sold just simply a ton of. If you want a bit more of storage and you need a bit more rods for a bigger trip or something, then the Vault here from SIMMS in the GTS system is the step up in regards to actually space and how much it can fit in there. This one has 2 shoulder straps, so you can carry it like a backpack. It again has the snip here for if you're traveling, then you can basically just pull this out and add your contact information and stuff. It has a big large pocket here on the front for whatever you like. And then of course the interior of this is designed with the angler in mind first. So strong and good zippers on these as well. Inside here You have the compartment for all your 9 feet, up to 9 feet 4-piece rods, and then of course you have the option to place a lot of different lines and reels and stuff on the other side of this. So perfect for one-handed rods. There are some straps here to keep every one of your rods safely secured while in this bag, and you also have in the lid here, you have different compartments to leaders and whatnot. So again, the same strong, durable quality as before, just now a bit bigger and for numerous one-handed rods. Let's put that off to the side here. And then finally we arrive at this new exciting size of this. And this is probably almost not gonna fit inside the video. What this is the new SIMMS Spay Bolt. This will hold up to 3 or 4 spay rods up to the length of 14 feet in 4-piece, and basically it has kind of the same interior as the other one. You have some roomy parts here for your reels. You can have all your rods here. You have the separated pockets up here for leaders and lines and stuff. And this new big one is longer than the other one. It doesn't have the shoulder straps as the other one, but if you're planning to go salmon fishing here in Denmark or in Norway or Sweden or whatever, the Spay Vault here really offers the best option. This is the biggest of these. I've not seen anyone that will hold a 14 feet before, and that's why SIMMS made this, because this product was really missing on the market. It's completely new. It's just arrived from SIMMS, and it's a new item. We have a few in stock, but you know, as with everything in these crazy times, they've been sold out for 3 or 4 or maybe even some of these 6 months, and I've gotten a pretty good number now, but I don't know in regards to how long the stocks will last and when I will get more. So if you're on the lookout for any of these things, I urge you to go out and get them, because basically things are crazy when it comes to supply. We see that on rods, we see that on reels, we see that on everything, and on SIMMS in particular. The last thing I want to show you is finally the tackle bag is, and this has been sold out for more than 6 months as well. The tackle bag, the SIMMS storage bag for your waders with the ventilation and stuff is also back in stock, which also is great and awesome. So we've also restocked on a lot of the different other things from SIMMS. We've just added every single one of the items of the flyweight system, carry system, but I'm gonna do a complete in-depth video regarding that soon. So I'm not gonna show you in this video. I am gonna show you this one. This is the new flyweight access pack, and what this contains is a full backpack inside here. So you can have a full backpack inside here. It will fit perfectly in any of these other things. It's easy, it's fast to unpack, and it's just, I think it's really cool that you can have a full backpack inside this one. So check that out on the website as well. All that remains is for me to wish you all the best of luck out on the water. And if ever you're in need in any of these things or other things fly tying related, then do not hesitate to reach out to me. It's daniel@nordicanglers.com, or simply just order from Nordic Anglers. All of these items that I just showed you are available there just now. So go get some. Thank you for watching.